Welcome back to our channel. My name is Malcolm. I'm one of the SEO specialists here at ProLemon. This quick video will be discussing some things to keep in mind when you are doing SEO for your WordPress site. So it's practically how to do SEO on WordPress. Awesome. So the first thing that you'd like to consider is the actual things that are on your page. So for example, I am at my dashboard here at the fake site, as we were referred to a lot. So we just want to click on edit site here quickly, and this will take us to the actual website. I'm not using any plugins. If you are using plugins such as Elementor, Oxygen, and so on, it will be a little bit different, but we're just going to consider some elements that go on the on-page part of your website. So you want to actually open your developer, your designers, pardon me. Yes. So the first thing that you just want to consider is, does your website or web page have header tags? So header tags are limited to H6, so that is all your H1, H2s, H3s, H4, and so on to 6. As you can see here, something that you want to consider is the H1 has your uh, keyword, your main keyword. So for example, if this was a blog about fake sites, we would definitely want to include the keyword fake site. Awesome. And a paragraphs, you want to make sure that's there, and CTA. So CTAs are click to action buttons. So they practically just help the user know what's the next step in order to get your services. So if you want to know about us, some would write something different like um, call us and so on. So that's something that you definitely want to consider on your website. As for images, you want to make sure that they are optimized in the sense that they um, are small but have good quality, and the text shows really clearly. So we've mentioned that a good format to have is WebP, so you want to also have that. And this is, as we mentioned, another header tags and so on. Okay, awesome. So this is such a basic website. It's not too much to highlight. Awesome. So we actually want to save this and we want to head off to the not external, but still falls under on-page SEO, such as your title tags and meta description. So to edit that, depending on the plugin that you're using, if you're using Yoast or Elementor, Yoast or Rank Math, I prefer using Rank Math. It's much easier. So you actually want to go to the page. So I just want to navigate to main page here, pardon me. Get back to your dashboard and go on to pages. So find and click on all pages, and then usually there's a setting where to edit, quick edit and so on. You want to click on edit, and then it will take you to like a demo page and so on. And that's where, if you're using plugins like Elementor and so on. So that's just some on-page recommendations on how you can do SEO. Of course, there's another side which is keyword research. You want to do that. We have a dedicated video for keyword research, so definitely check it out. How you can do that for free with using a high-end tool called Hrefs. The link will be down in the description. So this is something that you also want to definitely edit when it comes to your website. All right, so there's another site called backlinking. So you want to actually also add backlinking to your website to make sure that it's good, have more quality backlinks than quantity, as that may affect your website as well. So that's just a quick highlight on how you can do SEO on WordPress. As we always say, we create videos on a daily, so please follow us, give us a like, comment down in the description. Subscribe to this channel, stalk us at prolemon.com. We'd love to hear from you and how we can help with your SEO. We have many results, so definitely visit prolemon.com. Until the next video.